children. Today we are going to see class 9th English 1.1 Walk a little slower poem English workshop. Question number 1. Read the poem aloud. यहाँ पे ये जो पोएम दी गई है उसको अच्छे से रीड करना है. क्वेश्चन नंबर 2. पुट द वर्ड्स गिवन इन ब्रैकेट्स इन प्रॉपर ब्लैंक्स. A. The dash dash is talking to its dash dash. Answer. The child is talking to its father. The dash is leading and the dash is following. Answer. The father is leading and the child is following. Next. Someday the dash dash will become a dash dash. Answer. Someday the child will become a father. Next. The dash dash it does not wish to fall while following dash dash. Answer. The child it does not wish to fall while following father. Next question. Question number 2. Find and write pairs of rhyming words from the poem. Words that appear at the end of the line. First, small, fall. Second, see, me. Next, be, me. Next, true, you. Next question. The meaning of the words in the following pairs show that they are related. Daddy or father equal to child. Follow, lead. Find 5 more pairs of related words. अभी यहाँ पे इस क्वेश्चन में क्या राइट डाउन करना है, जो वर्ड दिया गया है उससे रिलेटेड वर्ड हमें राइट डाउन करने हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, टीचर, स्टूडेंट, डॉक्टर, पेशेंट, गिव, टेक, पेपर, पेन, कम, गो. नेक्स्ट, ओनर, सर्वेंट, मदर, चाइल्ड, easy, hard. Next question. Question number 4. The child in the poem requests his father to walk slower. Here, the poet implies that the child wants to understand his father's actions better. The child would like to act the same way, but wants the father to be more understanding towards the child's need. What is implied in the following lines? A. Sometimes your steps are fast. Answer are like that way. It implies that the child cannot understand what his father wants to teach him. Next line. Sometimes you are hard to see. Answer. It means that the child cannot understand his father's action. Next, I would want to lead just right. Answer. Whatever the child learned today, it will teach its child the same. Next, and know that I was true. Answer. The child will try to teach its child to learn slowly. It wants to understand better and wishes to happen the same with its child. Next, question number 5. Using your own idea, frame 3 sentences that show continuous action. For example, you are leading me. First, they are playing cricket. Next, she is solving the puzzle. Next, you are walking slowly or slow. Next, she is solving puzzle. Next question. Using your own idea, frame at least 3 sentences that show future action or state. Example, who will want to follow me? Second example, when I am all grown up. Answer. When will the school open? Second, I will finish my homework tonight. Third, they will help us. Next, when will I go on a trip? Next question, discuss the following and write the summary of your discussion in the form of bullet points. First, how are certain idea or customs knowledge passed on from one generation to the next? B. It is necessary for children to follow the footsteps of their forefathers. If yes, why? Why is it sometimes necessary to change the old ways? Allow the student to write on their own in activity number 7. Here, their confidence and expressions are more important than grammatical accuracy. अभी यहाँ पे जो दोनों क्वेश्चंस दिए गए हैं, यहाँ पे बताया गया है कि स्टूडेंट्स ने ये एक्टिविटी खुद से करनी है, क्योंकि बच्चों में उतना कॉन्फिडेंस आ जाए और वे बच्चे खुद से अपने एक्सप्रेशन जो है वो राइट डाउन कर सके और ग्रामेटिकल एक्यूरेसी से ज़्यादा इम्पॉर्टेंट उनके एक्सप्रेशन है। इस प्रकार से यहाँ पे ये बताया गया है। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, हाउ आर सर्टन आइडिया और कस्टम और नॉलेज पास ऑन फ्रॉम वन जनरेशन टू द नेक्स्ट? आंसर, समरी ऑफ द डिस्कशन थ्रू पेरेंटल टीचिंग. नेक्स्ट, नो टू देम थ्रू सेलिब्रेशन ऑफ फेस्टिवल एंड रिलीजियस ceremony. Next, often the child follow the habits and manners of their elders. Next, many ideas, customs and knowledge are transferred from one generation to other generation by stories, books, media and from teaching. B question, is it necessary for children to follow the footsteps of their forefathers? If yes, why? Answer is like that. Summary of the discussion. First point, yes, it is necessary to follow the footsteps of our forefathers. Second point, because of its importance in life and the moral values it involves. Third, sometimes it is necessary to change the old ways because many of the traditions and customs are based on superstition, which cannot be explained by reason or science. Next point, have to accept good modern ideas. Next point, to safeguard the moral standards of people which is declining everywhere. Next question, do you have a role model? What qualities do you appreciate in your role model? Answer, yes, I have a role model. She is none other but my mother. She is hardworking, loving, smiling and cooperative. She never gives any chance to complain. I have always her fulfilling all her responsibilities efficiently. She is always appreciated by others. Think of an occasion when you did not like the decision or actions of your family members, but realized later on that they were right. Write about it in 5 to 8 lines. Answer, my parents have kept a strict rule for me that I can watch TV only for half an hour daily. As a child, I used to dislike this restriction, as my friends did not have such a rule at their homes. But now I realize that my parents were right in teaching me discipline and keeping a balance between leisure and studies. I could study, play, watch television and still have to pursue some other's hobby. This habit taught me to manage my time properly. Question number 10. Within 2 minutes, write as many phrases or sentences as you can using a little. For example, here is given a diagram. A little later, a little higher, a little to left, just a little, wait a little longer. Answer is like that. A little hip. Next, little nervous. Next, give me a little space. Next, it cost a little extra. Next, a little effort. Next, a little bit of luck. Next, I need a little more time. Next, He seems a little upset. A little late. A little story. In this way, today we have completed the English workshop of class 9th English, poem number 1.1. Dear student, if you like my video, then please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.